Welcome back to Stocks Galore channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the stock market to uncover two hidden gems that are primed to explode. These are companies that are at the forefront of innovation and industry leadership. We're talking about a leader in the travel and hospitality industry, revolutionizing how we experience the world, and a pioneer in the financial technology sector, transforming how money moves across borders. We're talking about game changers, trendsetters, the companies of tomorrow. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. You don't want to miss this. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Alright guys, first up we've got Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. If you've ever traveled, you've probably heard of Airbnb, but today we're not just talking about booking a cool place to stay. We're talking about a company that's completely transformed the way people experience travel, and more importantly, a stock that could be your ticket to some seriously impressive returns. You know Airbnb, right? It's only the most revolutionary platform for booking unique places to stay around the world, but it's so much more than just a website or an app. Airbnb has become a global phenomenon, connecting millions of travelers with hosts in over 220 countries and regions. Whether you're looking for a cozy cabin in the woods, a chic city loft, or a beachfront villa, Airbnb has it all. And the best part? Every stay is different. Every experience is unique, and that's exactly what today's travelers are looking for. Forget boring hotels. Airbnb is all about experiencing a destination like a local. Imagine waking up in a centuries-old stone cottage in the French countryside, or sipping coffee on the balcony of a high-rise in Tokyo. With Airbnb, you're not just visiting a place, you're living it. You get to meet real people, discover hidden gems, and immerse yourself in the culture in ways that hotels just can't offer. That's why more and more travelers are ditching the cookie-cutter hotel experience and opting for something authentic, memorable, and personal. Airbnb has been absolutely crushing it, with revenue through the roof. In the last few years, Airbnb has consistently outperformed expectations, posting record-breaking revenues and expanding its reach even further. Despite global challenges like the pandemic, Airbnb adapted quickly, pivoting to support longer stays and remote work, and the results have been nothing short of impressive. Their financials are strong, their growth trajectory is solid, and Wall Street is starting to take notice. People are choosing Airbnb over traditional hotels, and that trend isn't slowing down anytime soon. Think about it. Why stay in a cramped hotel room when you can have an entire apartment, a treehouse, or even a freaking castle all to yourself? The flexibility, the space, the privacy, these are things hotels just can't compete with. And let's not forget the value for money. For families, groups of friends, or even solo travelers, Airbnb often offers more space and amenities for less than the cost of a standard hotel room. Plus, you get the added bonus of staying somewhere truly memorable. Airbnb offers experiences you can't get anywhere else, and the market knows it. Their platform is user-friendly, their customer base is massive and growing, and their business model is built for the future of travel. The company is constantly innovating, rolling out new features like Airbnb experiences, which let you book everything from cooking classes to guided hikes, all hosted by locals. This isn't just about a place to sleep, it's about creating unforgettable moments. And as more people discover the joys of flexible, experience-driven travel, Airbnb's appeal is only going to grow. We're talking about a global brand with a loyal following, constantly innovating and expanding into new markets. This isn't just about booking a place to sleep, it's about connecting with cultures, embracing new experiences, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Airbnb's global footprint means it's not tied to the fortunes of any one country or region. As travel rebounds and international borders reopen, Airbnb is perfectly positioned to capture the surge in demand. Plus, their commitment to safety, sustainability, and community engagement sets them apart from the competition and builds trust with both guests and hosts. And the best part? You can get in on the action right now at a discounted price. This is like finding a $100 bill on the ground, but instead of $100, we're talking about potentially life-changing returns. The stock market is all about timing, and right now, Airbnb is trading below its true value. That means there's a window of opportunity for savvy investors to buy in before the rest of the market catches on. Imagine looking back a few years from now and realizing you got in early, before the next big wave of growth. That's the kind of opportunity we're talking about here. I'm telling you, Airbnb is a sleeping giant, and it's about to wake up and roar. So, if you're looking for a stock with massive growth potential, look no further than ABNB. Trust me, you'll thank me later. The travel industry is evolving, and Airbnb is leading the charge. With its innovative approach, global reach, and passionate community, this company is set to redefine what it means to travel and to invest. Don't miss your chance to be part of the journey. ABNB isn't just a stock, it's your ticket to big returns and a front row seat to the future of travel. Next up, we're diving into the world of fintech with Remitly Global, ticker symbol RELY. If you've ever wondered how technology is transforming the way people move money around the globe, this is a story you'll want to hear. Remitly isn't just another app on your phone, it's a company that's quietly revolutionizing the financial lives of millions, and it's doing it in a way that's both innovative and deeply impactful. Now, you might not have heard of Remitly before, but trust me, this company is a game changer. In a world where sending money across borders can be a confusing, expensive, and time-consuming process, Remitly steps in as a breath of fresh air. Imagine being able to support your loved ones back home with just a few taps on your phone, no matter where you are in the world. That's the kind of power Remitly puts in your hands. They're tackling a massive global problem, sending money across borders. Every year, hundreds of billions of dollars are sent by migrant workers and expats to their families in developing countries. These remittances are a lifeline, often making the difference between poverty and opportunity for millions. But the process has always been riddled with obstacles: high fees, slow transfers, and a lack of transparency. Remitly saw this pain point and decided to do something about it. You see, traditional remittance services are slow, expensive, and a huge pain in the you-know-what. If you've ever stood in a long line at a bank or a money transfer office, you know the drill. Endless forms, confusing exchange rates, and fees that seem to eat up a big chunk of your hard-earned money. For many families, every dollar counts, and losing money to fees can be devastating. But Remitly is different. They've built a digital-first platform that makes sending money internationally as easy as sending a text message. No more waiting in line, no more paperwork, and no more wondering if your money will actually arrive. With Remitly, you can send funds to over 170 countries, often in just minutes, and track your transfer every step of the way. It's a level of convenience and peace of mind that's truly game-changing for people who rely on remittances. We're talking faster transactions, lower fees, and a seamless user experience that's miles ahead of the competition. Remitly's technology leverages the latest in digital security and automation, ensuring that your money gets where it needs to go, quickly, safely, and affordably. And with transparent pricing, you always know exactly what you're paying and what your recipient will get. No surprises, just results. And let me tell you, this is a huge market. Millions of people around the world rely on remittances to support their families, pay for education, cover medical expenses, and build better futures. In many countries, remittances make up a significant portion of the national economy. Remitly is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growing demand, offering a service that's not just wanted but truly needed by so many. They're already a leader in the space, with a strong track record of growth and a commitment to innovation that's unmatched. Remitly has consistently expanded its reach, added new features, and improved its platform to stay ahead of the curve. Their focus on customer satisfaction and technological advancement has earned them a loyal user base and recognition as a top player in the fintech world. But here's the kicker: their stock is currently trading at a significant discount. That's right, despite all this growth and potential, the market hasn't fully caught on yet. For savvy investors, this is a rare opportunity. You can invest in a company that's changing the world and making a real difference in people's lives, all while potentially making a killing in the market. It's not often you find a business that combines social impact with financial upside, but Remitly is doing just that. It's like finding a golden ticket, but instead of a chocolate factory, you're getting a piece of a company that's shaping the future of finance. Imagine being part of a movement that's not only profitable but also meaningful. Remitly's mission-driven approach means that every transaction helps families, supports communities, and drives positive change around the globe. As an investor, you're not just chasing returns, you're helping to build a better world. Remitly is more than just a stock, it's an investment in a brighter future for millions of people around the world. Every dollar sent through Remitly helps someone pay for school, buy medicine, or put food on the table. The ripple effect of these transfers is enormous, lifting entire communities and driving economic growth in places that need it most. When you invest in Remitly, you're investing in hope, opportunity, and progress. And with their current valuation, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. The market is starting to wake up to Remitly's potential, but there's still time to get in before the rest of the world catches on. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Remitly offers a compelling mix of growth, impact, and value. Don't let this chance slip by. Do your research, check out their numbers, and see for yourself why so many are excited about what's next. So, jump on board the Remitly train and get ready for a wild ride to the top. The future of global finance is being written right now, and Remitly is leading the charge. Whether you're passionate about technology, finance, or making a difference in the world, this is a company that deserves your attention. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Be part of the story. Remitly is sending money, changing lives, and yes, making bank. The only question is, are you ready to join the journey? Boom! There you have it, two incredible companies with massive potential just waiting to be unleashed. If you've been searching for your next big investment opportunity, these two stocks could be exactly what you're looking for. The stock market is full of surprises, and every once in a while you come across companies that are truly poised for explosive growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's always exciting to discover businesses that are on the verge of something big. Imagine being able to look back a few years from now and say, I got in early. That's the kind of potential we're talking about here. Remember, these are just two of the many exciting stocks out there, and I'm always on the hunt for the next big thing. The world of investing is constantly evolving, with new opportunities emerging every single day. It's important to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop searching for those hidden gems that could transform your portfolio. I spend hours every week researching, analyzing, and digging deep into financial reports, so I can bring you the most promising stocks before they hit the mainstream. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you've got to be proactive and open-minded. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, you're in the right place. I know how overwhelming it can be to sift through endless news articles, financial statements, and market trends. That's why I've created a community where you can get all the information you need in one place. Whether you're looking for detailed breakdowns of company fundamentals, technical analysis, or just want to know when I'm making a move, I've got you covered. My goal is to help you make smarter, more confident investment decisions. Join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. By becoming a member, you'll get access to exclusive content that I don't share anywhere else. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. I break down the numbers, explain the business models, and highlight the key risks and opportunities for each pick. You'll get insights that go way beyond the headlines, so you can make informed decisions with confidence. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Signing up is quick and easy, and you'll instantly unlock a treasure trove of resources designed to help you level up your investing skills. Don't let another opportunity pass you by. Take control of your financial future today. Whether you're looking for your first stock pick or your 100th, there's always something new to learn and explore. Just scroll down, click the link in the description, and you'll be on your way to joining one of the most dynamic investing communities out there. I'm always updating the Patreon with fresh content, new stock ideas, and actionable insights you won't find anywhere else. Don't wait. Opportunities like this don't come around every day. Which of these stocks are you most bullish on? Airbnb or Remitly? Both have unique strengths and exciting growth stories, but I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your insights, questions, and predictions. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome stock market content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Share it with your friends and family. Let's build a community of smart, empowered investors together. Until next time, happy investing.